Hi, I'm Matthew.
Hi, I'm Ailbhe.
We are the two youth researchers for the University of Galway.
And today we're here to interview the young people and get a sense of how they enjoy the Empathy in Food programme. The Empathy in Food programme's main objective is to find connections through food by using empathy to grow respect between different cultures. So now we're here with the boys from Castlebar and finding out how they enjoyed their journey with the Empathy in Food programme. So, what was the important things you learned on the programme?
Empathy is when you put yourself in someone's shoes and understand how they're feeling, where sympathy you can't you can't just feel sorry for them. You know what I'm saying?
And challenges you think that you kind of thought were a bit hard?
At first it was hard to communicate with each other, for it to work in a group.
Then we got the hang of it, and then we had a little bit of struggles making the actual fufu itself. It just wouldn't form properly. But then we got a fella from Congo, his name was Freddy, a very, very nice guy. He helped us make the fufu, and we got it all sorted out.
Did anything that came up in your programme surprise any of you?
The cooking.
The cooking.
We tried to make different things and go out of our comfort zones. It was nice to experiment with different types of food from different countries.
Well, when you cook, it seems like a family, you know?
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
What was your favourite part?
Getting to know each other and the different cultures. There was African, Polish, and Gypsy, me.
Will you tell me about what you did throughout the programme?
We met up as a group and we learned new recipes, the way other people cook it around the world, and there are lots of traditions and lovely foods from around the world that everybody could have a go of.
Which was your favourite thing to make?
The beetroot soup from Lithuania.
I'm here with Foróige.
So this is jollof rice, and then we made cheesecakes, we made pasta carbonara.
Did anything that came up throughout the programme, did it surprise you at all?
The different ways, the different type of cultures eat, the way the places that they eat and how they eat. Do you think the cooking experience brought you closer together?
Yeah, 100%.
Did the programme help you realise the importance of empathy in your life?
I knew a bit, but now that I'm in the programme, I know a lot more.
We're here now with the girls from Castlebar.
We learned about Ramadan and some African dishes.
It made us work as a team. We all had to rely on each other to get everything done on time.
Making the mac and cheese.
Yeah, that was a good one actually.
Didn't turn out the best though.
What did you learn about different cultures in this programme?
One of the cultures we learned about was Latvian culture. Their weddings and funerals and stuff differ from Irish cultures and that.
I also learned that people can view food as a comfort for them.
So we're now here with the group from Roscommon and we're going to ask them some questions. So, did you all enjoy the programme?
Yes.
What was your favourite part?
You could spend time with a person more and just talk, have a conversation.
Yeah.
To understand each other.